In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Ahrefs. To get started, open your browser and go to the official Ahrefs website. Once the homepage loads, look for the option that says sign up for free and click it. At the time of this recording, Ahrefs offers a free account with no trial expiration and no credit card required, which makes it a simple way to get started without any upfront commitment. Next, choose the sign up method that works best for you. You can continue with Google if you want a faster setup, or you can register using your email address instead. If you decide to sign up with email, enter an active email address that you can access right away, then click continue with email. After that, follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. Depending on the sign-up method you chose, Ahrefs may ask you to enter your name and create a password. Make sure you use a password that's secure and easy for you to manage. Just follow each prompt carefully until the account setup is complete. Once your account has been created, Ahrefs may ask you to verify your email address. Open your inbox and look for the verification message from Ahrefs. Then either click the verification link in the email or enter the code provided on the sign-up page. If you don't see the email right away, it can help to check your spam or promotions folder. After verification, go back to Ahrefs and log in using your new credentials. When you're signed in, take a moment to review your workspace and account settings. Your initial workspace is tied to the account that was just created, so this is a good time to get familiar with the layout. From the dashboard, choose the option to add or create a project, then enter your website URL. This allows Ahrefs to connect your site to the account so you can begin using its tools more effectively. If you want to use features like Site Audit or Site Explorer for your own website, Ahrefs may require you to verify website ownership. Simply follow the verification steps shown on screen, since some free tools depend on that confirmation. Once that's done, you can begin exploring the dashboard and the tools available to you, including Site Explorer, Site Audit, Web Analytics, Social Media Manager, AI Content Helper, and the SEO toolbar. To run your first SEO check, enter your website into Site Explorer or start a site audit. Review the SEO data and recommendations Ahrefs provides so you can begin identifying opportunities to improve your site. And if you eventually need more data, reports, or advanced features, you can upgrade at any time. If not, your free account will still remain available for you to use.